below there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and contact property directly on Agoda. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you want and go ahead and search for Agoda. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here, and once you've done that, go ahead and put your location where you want to head to, your check-in date, check-out date, and how many adults are going to be heading. So the Agoda is going to show you the properties that are around the area. So for example, if you want to simply go ahead and go and book this property right here, but you don't want to do it through Agoda, you can just go ahead and copy their name and go ahead and search it on Google, and as you can see, they're gonna pop up right over here. Once they've popped up, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on that, and then you can simply go ahead and book a room through here, or you could also give them a call directly. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.